Okay, children, now I'm going to continue about the 5th standard maths, geometry. It is the example sum we are going to say now. How much wire will be needed to put a triple fence around a square plot with a side 20 meter? What will be the total cost of the wire at rupees 50 per meter? So, we are going to put a fence around a square plot or a square shaped plot. We are going to put the fence. So, how much wire will be needed to put a triple fence. So fence போடுறதுக்கு how much wire is needed around a square plot. That plot is in a square shape. So around the square plot with the side. So square வரும்போது only one side they will give. What will be the total cost? So, நம்ம perimeter கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் and as well as the total cost of the fence also we have to find out. What will be the total cost of the wire at rupees 50 per meter? Okay, so to put a single fence around the square, we need to find the perimeter. So, perimeter of a square, you have to find it because that is a square plot. So, you have to put perimeter of a square plot. That is equal to 4 into length of one side. So, 4 into length. So, length they are given. How much is the length? Side is 20 meter. That is equal to 4 into 20 meter, that is equal to 80. 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 8. So 80 meters of wire needed. Sorry. Oh, sorry, 20, that is 80 meter. So 80 meters of wire will be needed. So in that, the perimeter is 80 meters. Since the fence is a triple fence, so the fence is a triple fence. One fence is the triple fence na 3. So one idukku 80 meter na 3 idukku evlo. So 80 into 3, that is equal to how much? 240 meter. The fence is a triple fence. Needed to put triple fence. So that is 80 into 3 is equal to 240 meters they needed. So cost of 1 meter of wire, cost of 1 meter of wire is, that is equal to how much rupees? Rupees 50. So what will be the cost of 240 meters? 40 meters of wire. So that is equal to 240 into 50. So that is 2 zeros, 5 fours are 20. So amount is 12,000 rupees. That is equal to 12,000 rupees. Okay, children. So these are all the example sums. And now we will move on to the exercise number 1.1. This is from the page number 6. Exercise 1.1, page number 6. So, how much wire will be needed? To make a rectangle of length 6 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter. So how much wire will be needed to make a rectangle of a length 6 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter? So you can write perimeter of a rectangle. Formula is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So 2 into length plus 2 into breadth, that is equal to length they are given 6 centimeter and breadth they are given 2 centimeter. So 2 into 6 centimeter plus 2 into 3 centimeter. So that is equal to 2 6 are 12 plus 2 3s are 6. That is equal to 18 centimeter. Okay. The next one. If the length of a rectangle is 14 meter and its breadth is 10 meter. What is its perimeter? Okay, the length of a rectangle is 14 meter and its breadth is 10 meter. What is its perimeter? So same thing. Perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. You can write that is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Okay, so that is equal to 2 into length எவ்வளோ இருக்குது நம்மளுக்கு 2 into 14 plus 2 into 10. So 2 into 14, 28 plus 2 tens are 20. That is equal to 48 centimeter. Okay, yeah. Then the third one. Each side of a square is 7 meter long. Find its perimeter. Each side of the square. So square of a perimeter of a square. So you can write perimeter of square. That is equal to 4 into length of one side. Length of one side. So on one side எவ்வளோ கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? One side is equal to 7 meter long. That is equal to 4 into 7. That is equal to 28 meter. Then the fourth one. If we take 2 rounds. So 2 round சுத்துறீங்க. Okay. If we take 2 rounds of a field. Or ground of a field that is 340 meter long. So that is the length 340 meter long and 160 meter wide. Find the distance covered in kilometers. Find the distance covered. So the length, breadth, ரெண்டுமே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. That is, if you take 2 rounds of a field, that is 340 meter long and 160 meter wide. இது வந்து length, this is the breadth. So we have to find out how many kilometers of the distance kilometers la kondu varnom. So perimeter is equal to perimeter of a field, that is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth, that is equal to 2 into length வந்து 340 meter plus 2 into 160 meter. So 2 zeros are 0, 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 6, plus 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12, 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 320 meter. So 680 plus 320 meter, you will get 10. So that is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, so this is the answer for this. Now the last one, fifth sum. So in the 1000 meter என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க, they asked to distance covered in kilometers ல கேக்குறாங்க. So 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. அப்போ நீங்கள் எத்தனை ரவுண்ட்ஸ் போயிருக்க, 2 rounds you are going. So 2 rounds வரும்போது that is equal to 2 into 1 equal to 2 kilometers. Okay. Now the next one. Sanju completes 10 rounds. Sanju, he completes 10 rounds around a square park. Around a square park every day. Since the park every day. If the side of the park is 110 meter, then find the distance covered. By Sanju in a day in terms of kilometers and meters. So in this, Sanju completes 10 rounds around a square park. 10 round போறான் and every day. If the side of the park வந்து 110 meter, then find the distance covered. 110 meter இருக்கு. So distance, how much distance he covered. So perimeter of a square park. Okay. That is equal to how many? 110 meters. So 4 into length of one side. That is equal to 4 into 110 meter. That is equal to 440 meter. What they are asking is going for the 10 rounds. For 10 rounds, 440 into 10, that is equal to 4,400 meter. So in the meter, you have to change it into kilometers. So if you want to change it into kilometers, you have to divide this by 1000. So what will you get? You will get 2 zeros. You get 4.4 kilometer. This is the answer. Okay. So this is about the perimeter. And now okay, this is about the perimeter of a perimeter and a rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle and the square we are seeing. Now we are going to see about the area. Going to see the area. What is the formula for the area of the rectangle as well as the area of the square? So you have to memorize the formula. So perimeter and area of the rectangle and square. We have finished seeing the perimeter. Now we are going to see area of a rectangle and square. Area of a rectangle and square. Okay. So there are a lot of mosquitoes in Kavita's house, and these mosquitoes enter her house through the windows, and Kavita's mother decided to put a windows by a measure. So what kind of measurement is required? The measurement required by the Kavita's mother is to cover the window is the area. So the window cover pannanumna, she has to measure by the area. So the unit denoted by the area of an object is square units. So square units, square la irukumbodhu area of a square பண்ணும்போது we can write square units, square centimeter or square meter. இப்படி தான் நம்ம மென்ஷன் பண்ணணும். Okay. Suppose if they are given area of the rectangle, find the area of a rectangle. Here the formula is area of a rectangle is length of a side and length into breadth. So first we are going to see the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is, formula is length into breadth. Okay. So in this length into breadth, they are given, this is the this is 2 centimeter and this is the 6 centimeter. The opposite sides of the rectangle are the equal. This is the length and this is the breadth. Okay. So area of the rectangle is, you just multiply 6 into 2, that is equal to 12 square centimeter. If they are given in centimeters, you can write as in centimeter. If you are given in meters, you can write square meter. Okay. Now we will move on to the next one, that is, and suppose this is the rectangle. No, then area of a square. Area of a square is, all the 4 sides will be the equal. In this area, all the 4 sides are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is also 4 centimeter. This and this. So all the 4 sides will be the same. So area of the square is, what's the formula? 4 into 4. That is 4 into length of each side. Length of a side into length of a side. Length of a side into length of a side. So that is A into A, all the sides. Okay. So about 4 into 4, that is equal to 16 square centimeter. Okay. So that's it. And here are some of the example sums they are given. So we will say this. Find the, what is the area of the rectangle? What is the, this is the example sum 1.5. Example 1.5. Area of rectangle. Of length 10 centimeter and breadth 8 centimeter. So what will be the area? So now we are going to, what is the area of the rectangle? So area of rectangle is equal to, என்ன ஃபார்முலா எழுதியிருக்கோம், லென்த் இன்ட்டு பிரெத். ஸோ அவங்க லென்த்தும் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, பிரெத்தும் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ யூ ஜஸ்ட் மல்டிப்ளை த லென்த் இன்ட்டு பிரெத். ஸோ லென்த் வந்து 10 சென்டிமீட்டர் அண்ட் பிரெத் இஸ் 8 சென்டிமீட்டர். So that is equal to 10 8s are 80 square centimeter. You have to write like that. A wall that is 6 meter long and 2 meter wide has to be painted. If the labor charges are rupees 20 per square meter, what is the cost for the labor of painting the wall? So they given the long is 6 meter and wide. So long nalu length nalu onnudha, wide and breadth nalu onnudha 2 meter. Labor charges 20 rupees per square meter. So labor charges is rupees 20 per square meter. So we have to find out. So adena, so area of the rectangle, area is equal to length into breadth. So length அவங்க எவ்வளோ கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, 6 into 2 meter, that is equal to 6 2s are 12 square meter. And cost, labor charges cost is 20 per square meter. So cost per square meter எவ்வளோ rupees, that is equal to rupees 20. Cost of 12 square meter நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சோம் இல்லையா, that is equal to 12 into 20, that is equal to 240 rupees. Okay children, so go through this and afterwards we will see the area of the square. Thank you children.